Welcome to our Tax and Accounting channel. Today we are going to answer the question, how to obtain currently non-collectible status to stop IRS collections. My name is Gary.Massey. I'm a CPA and the owner of a tax and accounting firm focused on the needs of small businesses and small business owners. I help taxpayers to save taxes and stay out of IRS trouble. If you or someone you know owes taxes to the IRS, being deemed currently non-collectible will stop IRS collection activity. You will not receive letters in the mail from the government, and they will not seize your assets. However, the IRS will put a lien on your property even if you are deemed non-collectible. In order to be considered non-collectible by the IRS, you have to provide the government with financial statements. These financial statements require significant work and document gathering in order to prove that you cannot afford to make payments on your tax bill to the IRS. But there are steps that you can take to improve your numbers, such as maximizing allowable expenses. The mathematics behind being non-collectible are fairly straightforward. First, we calculate your available net equity and assets, such as your home, your car, or your investment portfolio. Secondly, we calculate your gross monthly income less allowable expenses. If this calculation results in nothing being left to pay the government for your tax bill, then you will be deemed non-collectible. You are allowed to use your current income numbers, which is good news if you have recently lost a job or had a decrease in earnings, as this will reflect your current situation and will go towards you being considered non-collectible. It is not a problem if you have sold off assets in the past several years. This is known as dissipated assets. It would be a problem if you are applying for an offer in compromise. So in the case of currently non-collectible status, you do not need to add back dissipated assets. In addition, it is not a problem if you have equity in your home that you're not able to access, for example, through a home equity loan. That equity will not be included in your calculation of net available equity and assets. That would not be the case if you are applying for an offer in compromise, where you do need to include the equity, whether or not it is easy for you to access. Please keep in mind that non-collectible status is temporary. The IRS is going to check in on you every year or two to see if your situation has changed. However, the 10-year statute of limitations will continue to run during the period that you are non-collectible. With good planning, the statute of limitations may expire while you are uncollectible. If so, the IRS will write off the entire tax bill and the tax will simply go away. If you have found this video useful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave your comments at the bottom. If you or someone who you know has a tax issue that requires more personalized attention, feel free to contact me by email or via our website. In addition, you are welcome to call my office and ask to speak with me personally. The phone number is also listed below. I will do my very best to help you through your situation. For now, I would like to wish you the very best, and I look forward to talking with you next time.